I got a bigger turbo intake. Another solo dolo that I see out here. Let's give it a quick hit. A little test hit. Some new tires. Let's check it out. Whoa, shit. Bro, dead hook? Oh, that's right, I have traction on the. Let's try with it off. Let's check it out with it off. Let's see what it do. Put that bitch in sport. Right, just waiting for the light to turn green in Mexico. Here we go. Second gear. Whoa! Holy crap, guys. These tires really are better. Damn it. I wish you could feel my point of view. Like the camera angle, I mean, it can only do so much. But damn, that was crazy. I didn't think these tires would grip that well, but dry weather, they feel awesome. What's up, guys? So we're headed to the drag strip right now. I'm gonna check out some cars and just kind of get some content. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, so I decided, you know, we'll make this one a little bit more of a vlog style. So bear with me. Feels good to be back, guys. The exhaust, I'm getting pretty used to it. If you guys haven't seen the latest or the previous video, I got a titanium exhaust from Cobb. Super lightweight, super cool. Right now we're just trying to get to the drag strip though. Check out some cars. Maybe we'll see who's the fastest. 6-speed for the win. Alright, so we saw a little bit of burnouts and stuff like that, but this is what we really came for, the drag strip. So stoked for that. Let's go and check out some cars, guys. GTI boys. Look at this Shelby. Stupid clean. Oh man. GTI boys.
Loaded up quite a bit, but it's fired. Alright, so he's firing it back up, he's backing it up, we'll get it going.
Bro, look at this one. Crazy. This thing's gotta be quick. You guys are probably wondering how come I'm not landing them tonight. Honestly, guys, I don't like to launch my car. Fun fact, it's never been launched. It's not the purpose, it's not the build that I wanted to do, so you know, I don't have it prepped for that. If I did want to do a drag build, I would have probably gone all-wheel drive, to be honest.
More right now, runs faster 60, 92, and 98 miles an hour.
It's crazy.
Jonathan Swift to the tower, please. Jonathan Swift. Jonathan to the tower. Jonathan Swift, please come to the tower. Wow, looks like over a foot past where it was originally. Run fastest from 5 is 5. Number 7 spot. Although the first 20 is the third.
It definitely looks like it's not stock. That's you?
No.
That's yours? No? I was about to say, bro. Damn. Then we got the Z06. Man, I've always loved the Z06 trims. Stupid fat intake. And it's got a supercharger. Oh man. I definitely gotta look out for this one.
Coming up. Pre-stage.
So sticky, bro. Check that out.
Slows down. 786.
I think this is what, the first Subaru I saw here tonight. That's you?
Yeah.
I like it, man. What you got done?
I got a bigger turbo, bigger intake, I'm straight pipe, and I'm on an 85.
Nice. How much does it usually make with that type of setup?
I think to the wheel 400 and like to the crank like 470.
Sick. Have you ran it yet or no?
Not here, no.
Yeah.
This is my first time.
Oh, for real? Okay. You're like the only Subaru that I see out here tonight, so I'm definitely excited to see this one.
Yeah, I know the track's super sticky though, so I'm gonna see how that works.
Oh yeah? Well, you got race tires on or just regular?
I just got basic Federals. I mean,
Okay.
they're kind of race tires, but not
Yeah,
really.
a little more grip. Yeah. All right. Well, good luck out there, man.
Alrighty,
That's the Corvette I saw earlier. I think it is. Spot on. Yeah. Shoes. We got the Porsche, another solo dolo that I see out here. Him and the Subi are, you know, solos. And we got the old school SS with a crazy fat turbo on there. Dope as hell. For all that. That's yours?
No.
Yeah? I was about to say, bro. That's that new 3 Series there for you. Some Federals in the back. Still pretty sticky.
Vaya, un cambio vale madre, como cualquiera. Sí, cualquiera, gano con un cambio, te pierde la carrera. ¿Tienes cosas de push-up? No, trabajo móvil.
Oh, anybody yesterday?
It's crazy, bro. Right-hand drive too. Check it out though. Got a Gen 3 over here. Okay. It's definitely dang. Yeah, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see an actual, like, this intake is huge. If any Mustang guys watch my channel, definitely let me know. Is that the intake to get? It looks custom. Got the welds. No mirrors. And no exhaust. Definitely loud. Definitely weight reduction. So that'll be cool to see.
For the Mustang.
After this line. I thought about it, but I was like, you know what, I gotta cover it. I feel like,
So I have 49% down in front. Pick up the quicker the first gap and goes 8-12.
but you don't like the bars that I told you. No.
You don't stop 64 yet. Goes 8:37 this time, so 8:80.
Corvette, round best is 7:05. Full stage, both cars as we get ready to go. Thanks. Corvette. Tires, digs in, it goes. Mid-engine Corvette C8 goes 7:46. Slow down. Lights with a 720, 101 miles an hour, 720 and 101. Previous time? No, he's off by 2 tenths. 666 with a 6. This is a 7th generation Corvette. Lights, 644, slowed down, but picked up 2 miles per hour.
Crazy, bro, with all these cars out here. Oh, look at the Focus. You don't see that every day. Oh shit. I know whose car this is. Homeboy Ruben. Damn, homie, you gonna come out in the vlog now. Oh, and he's running it too, look. Homeboy had the exhaust cut out. Alright guys, well there you have it. I know we didn't get to see all the cars we wanted to, but still got to see a few cars out there in the parking lot and everything. Check out some crazy builds and we did see some fast cars too, so that was pretty cool. I did see a handful of cars I wanted to see, but not all, and it's all good. And I know you guys would love to see me pull up to the track like that, but this car again, like I said, being 6-speed and all, yeah, I could do it, but it's really not set up for the drag strip. Otherwise I would. If I had like all-wheel drive or something, and you know, just like the proper setup, the proper tire and wheels, I'll definitely give it a shot. This car is definitely a highway car, and you know, that's the build, that's its purpose, and that's what it does great at. So with that being said, you know, if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope to catch you on the next one. Peace. Let's go ahead and hit up Mexico next, right? All right, guys, take care.